Hello everyone, I'm Akanksha Mishra and you are watching our YouTube channel TNV Academy. So let's start with today's session. Today, many companies talk about sustainability and SDGs. They show colorful SDG logos in reports and presentations. But people now ask a simple question: can you prove it? Governments, investors, customers, and even employees want real proof, not promises. SDG reporting is no longer about saying we care. It is about showing how you work, how you check, and how you improve. ISO audits help organizations give this proof in a clear and trusted way. Now let's discuss about SDG reporting. SDG reporting means explaining how your organization supports the United Nations 17 Sustainable Development Goals. This includes how you protect the environment, care for employees, use energy, handle data, avoid corruption, and improve quality. SDGs are not only for governments. Businesses also play a big role. But to report SDGs honestly, you need records, checks, and reviews. Without these, SDG reports become only stories. Now, the biggest problem with many SDG reports. Many SDG reports fail because they are based on self-claims. Companies write what they believe is good, but they do not show evidence. There are no audit reports, no risk records, and no improvement actions. This creates a problem called greenwashing, where sustainability looks good on paper but not in real life. ISO audits solve this problem by asking for proof. Now, what is an ISO audit? An ISO audit is a structured check of how an organization works. The auditor does not guess or assume. The auditor checks documents, records, interviews, employees, and observes work. The auditor asks simple questions. Do you have a process? Do you follow it? Do you review and improve it? Because ISO audits are based on evidence, they are very useful for SDG reporting. Internal audits and external audits. Why both are important? Internal audits show that the organization checks itself regularly. They prove responsibility and self-control. External audits are done by independent certification bodies that trust and credibility. For SDG reporting, both are important. Internal audit reports, corrective actions, and external audit certificates together form strong sustainability evidence. Now, how ISO 9001 audits support SDG reporting? ISO 9001 focuses on quality and improvement. Audit evidence includes process control, trailing records, customer feedback, and performance reviews. This directly supports SDG 8, that is decent work, and SDG 9, that is industry and innovation. When you show ISO 9001 audit results, you show that your organization works in a planned and responsible way. How ISO 14001 audits prove environmental responsibility? ISO 14001 audits focus on environmental protection. Auditors check how waste is managed, how energy is used, how pollution is controlled, and whether laws are followed. Records like waste logs, energy data, and environmental action plans can be used directly in SDG reports. This supports SDG 12, that is responsible consumption, and SDG 13, that is climate action. Then we have ISO 45001 audits and worker safety evidence. ISO 45001 audits check how organizations protect employee health and safety. Evidence includes risk assessments, safety training, incident reports, and corrective actions. This supports SDG 3, that is good health, and SDG 8. It shows that worker safety is managed daily, not just promised. Now, using ISO 27001 and ISO 27701 audits for digital SDGs. In today's digital world, data protection is very important. ISO 27001 audits check information security and ISO 27701 audits check privacy protection. Evidence like access controls, risk assessment, and incident handling supports SDG 16, that is, strong institutions. This shows responsible use of digital systems. ISO 37001 audits as proof of anti-corruption. SDG 16 also focuses on transparency and anti-corruption. ISO 37001 audits check anti-bribery controls, ethics policies, training, and reporting systems. Audit reports show that corruption risks are identified and controlled. This is very strong SDG evidence. Then we have management review records, hidden SDG evidence. Many organizations forget that management review minutes are powerful evidence. These records show that top management reviews performance, risk, audit results, and improvement actions. This supports SDG governance goals and shows leadership responsibility. How one ISO audit can support many SDGs. One audit can support multiple SDGs. For example, an environmental audit supports climate, health, and life on land. A quality audit supports jobs, innovation, and growth. By linking audit findings to SDG targets, organizations can build strong SDG reports without extra work. How ISO audits help avoid greenwashing. ISO audits reduce greenwashing because everything must be proven. If there is no record, it cannot be reported. If there is no review, it is not reliable. This discipline protects organizations from false claims and builds trust with stakeholders. Now look at the future. ISO audits will become key for SDG reporting. In the future, sustainability reporting will be more regulated. Governments and investors will ask for verified data. ISO audits will become one of the most trusted sources of SDG evidence. Organizations already using ISO systems will be better prepared. Now use audits as strength, not fear. ISO audits are not enemies. They are tools for improvement and trust. Every audit finding helps an organization grow, when used correctly. ISO audits turn SDG reporting from marketing into real, believable sustainability action. That is all about today's session. I, Akanksha Mishra, will see you in the next episode of TNV Academy. Until then, like, share, and subscribe TNV for more such informative content. Thanks for watching.